Every world-class motorcycle begins inside a highly organized manufacturing facility. Today, we follow the complete production journey of the...
Before production begins, hundreds of trained technicians, engineers, machine operators, inspectors, and maintenance staff report for duty. Every employee completes security verification before entering the production facility, ensuring safety and production accountability.
Have a safe shift.
Personal protective equipment protects every worker. It protects them from heat, sparks, noise, and moving machinery.
Every production day starts with a safety briefing, machine status review, and quality objectives before manufacturing begins. Let's have a safe shift today.
Let's do it.
After system inspections, the entire manufacturing facility comes alive as hundreds of advanced machines prepare for continuous production. Every motorcycle begins with carefully selected industrial raw materials, delivered from certified suppliers. Each shipment is unloaded carefully using cranes and forklifts to prevent damage before entering production. Every raw material undergoes strict quality inspection before it is approved for motorcycle manufacturing. With inspection complete, approved materials are distributed to specialized production lines, where motorcycle components begin taking shape. The manufacturing process begins by cutting high-strength steel tubes with CNC fiber laser machines, producing highly accurates required for the Apache RR 310 chassis. Precision CNC machining creates the structural components that allow the motorcycle frame to achieve perfect strength and dimensional accuracy. Before welding, every chassis component is positioned with millimeter precision inside specialized fixtures. This ensures the motorcycle frame remains perfectly aligned. Industrial robotic welding permanently joins the motorcycle chassis, creating an exceptionally strong frame for high-performance riding. Every welded frame receives detailed manual inspection, finishing to guarantee maximum structural integrity and premium manufacturing quality. Each completed chassis undergoes computerized dimensional inspection to ensure every motorcycle frame meets exact engineering specifications. The motorcycle fuel tank begins as flat steel sheets, transformed into complex shapes using enormous hydraulic stamping presses. The stamped fuel tank panels are robotically welded into one sealed assembly, capable of safely storing fuel throughout the motorcycle's life. Each fuel tank undergoes automated leak testing to ensure complete sealing before moving into the painting department. Before painting begins, every metal component is thoroughly cleaned. This ensures maximum corrosion resistance and perfect paint adhesion. To protect the motorcycle from corrosion, every steel frame and fuel tank receives a phosphate anti-rust treatment before painting begins. The primer coat creates the perfect bonding layer between bare metal and the final paint finish. The primer is baked under carefully controlled temperatures to create a durable foundation for the final paint. The signature racing red color is applied using precision robotic painting technology to ensure consistent quality on every motorcycle. Official graphics are precisely positioned. A protective clear coat seals the finish. High-quality engineering plastic granules are prepared for manufacturing the motorcycle's aerodynamic body panels. Molten engineering plastic is injected into precision molds to create lightweight yet durable motorcycle body panels. Each molded body panel is trimmed and carefully inspected before continuing to the paint and assembly departments. With the chassis and body components ready, production now begins on the heart of the motorcycle, the high-performance aluminum engine.
Mold 30 is full.
The first Apache RR 310 engine crankcase is now formed. After controlled cooling, the casting is removed and prepared for precision finishing. Before machining begins, every casting is cleaned and finished to remove excess material and prepare a flawless surface. The raw casting is transformed into a precision engine block using advanced CNC machining technology. The cylinder head receives multiple precision machining operations that directly affect engine performance and combustion efficiency. The cylinder head receives multiple precision machining operations that directly affect engine performance and combustion efficiency. The forged steel crankshaft is machined with extreme precision to convert piston movement into smooth engine rotation. The lightweight piston is manufactured to deliver maximum power while reducing engine vibration. The connecting rod links the piston to the crankshaft and must withstand enormous engine forces throughout its service life. The camshaft and valve system controls airflow through the engine, making precision manufacturing essential. The transmission gears are manufactured and hardened to deliver smooth shifting and long service life. Every engine component must pass rigorous quality inspection. The heart of the Apache RR 310 engine begins with the installation of precision bearings and the forged crankshaft.
The 6-speed transmission is assembled with precision gears that deliver smooth shifting and reliable performance.
The piston, connecting rod, and cylinder are assembled with exceptional precision to ensure smooth engine operation. The cylinder head assembly completes the engine's combustion system, while the camshaft precisely controls valve timing.
The remaining engine systems are installed, completing the high-performance Apache RR 310 power unit.
Every Apache RR 310 engine is tested before installation to ensure performance, reliability, and quality. The alloy wheels, radial tires, and braking system are assembled to deliver precise handling and powerful stopping performance. The premium suspension system is assembled to provide stability, comfort, and precise motorcycle handling. The motorcycle's electrical system is assembled and electronically verified before installation. Every major component is now complete. The next stage brings them together to create the finished TVS Apache RR 310. The fully tested engine is carefully installed into the chassis, creating the foundation of the Apache RR 310 motorcycle. The premium suspension, ring suspension, lightweight swingarm, alloy wheels, ABS braking system, and wheel alignment are assembled with exceptional precision. The signature bodywork transforms the assembled chassis into the recognizable TVS Apache RR 310. The motorcycle receives its electrical systems, operating fluids, and complete electronic verification before its first startup. For the first time, the Apache RR 310 engine comes to life. This marks a major milestone in the manufacturing journey. The motorcycle is tested under simulated, real-world conditions to ensure durability, safety, and reliability. The final road test confirms every Apache RR 310 delivers the performance expected before shipment. From carefully selected raw materials to a fully tested high-performance motorcycle, the TVS Apache RR 310 manufacturing journey is now complete.